Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to do a set of railroad tracks. Got some liquid white from here up. The sky's going to be real bright yellow. These are just a set of railroad tracks. We're going to try it and see what happens. And don't forget, if you like this painting and you want to see more, like and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to get me some white. I might try some of this lemon yellow. Let's see how that works. I'm going to set my palette down right here. I got a smaller canvas today. The reason I do is because I forgot to order the big canvases. So, it happens. I want it really bright right there. This lemon yellow seems to be okay. I got to pick this back up. It's sliding. Even a little brighter there if I can. It's going to get a little darker as we go out. Brighter, I should say. Let me put a touch of ochre in this. As we're going away from the light, I want it to get a little darker. Just a little. It's probably going to be about the extent of our sky today. Not much. Okay, I went ahead and I put some bushes in. These bushes here are darker. They're further back. This is a little closer. This is going to be my gravel. I took black, blue, and white. I made a gray leaning toward the blue side. Both sides, this is going to be gravel. These are going to be weeds kind of sticking up here and here. Now I'm working on this right here. And I'm just kind of randomly picking out a few bushes. The sun should be coming down this direction. Just randomly picking them out. I got a big fan brush here. Using cad yellow light. And I have to apologize again. I thought I had my camera on a minute ago. I wouldn't have done this much without showing you. I think I had it on photo instead of video or something. Yeah, stuff happens. I'll try to catch you up on what I'm doing here. I think I'm obviously saving the railroad tracks for last, working my way toward them. It's not how I planned it, but that's the way it's looking. You just kind of got to go with the flow sometimes. As we're coming down. Yeah, these are just random bushes right here, and that's okay. I like that. That's all right. My weeds are going to come up right there. I'm going to go ahead and speckle in some more gravel. This gravel is black, blue, and maybe just a touch of purple. There's quite a bit to do here to make gravel. I'm trying to figure out the fastest way. I don't know what the fastest way would be. Let's see what this fan brush does. I'm just hitting it here and there maybe. Okay, let me just take a look, see what's happening here. It's okay, a little whiter up there. It's probably all right. You don't want to stay here all day and take a brush and hit one gravel at a time. So I'm just trying to figure out what might be the easiest. Just randomly throwing this in, spinning your brush as you go, perhaps. I don't paint a lot of gravel. Most of us probably don't. So I'm just spinning my brush is all I'm doing. Probably come back and get some black here in a second. This black line, I don't know if I told you, this is just a reference line, this little black area here, to show me where I needed to go. These fan brushes, I guess, can be used for everything. It's going to get a little darker as we come down. Get a little bit more black. I may have to figure out something else to do with this. I want it to look a little bit more like gravel than what it does right now, but we'll keep fooling with it till we get it the way we want it. I don't have a gravel brush. Pretty sure they don't even have one. Now let me keep working on that for a while. Okay, I changed my mind about a few things. There's not going to be any weeds sticking up over here or here because they didn't look good. And I worked on my gravel a little bit. Now we're going to start on these railroad tracks. I'm going to start putting in some railroad ties. These are going to take a little work. Let's start with a little brown. I'm just painting what I see. I got a picture up here. I might start maybe up here. They're just kind of hit and miss, kind of random. These are old tracks. There's going to be some grass showing. Some go all the way across, some do not. Let's get a little bit more. And as they come down, they'll get a little bit further apart because you're getting closer. I'll go back over these. I'm just kind of putting them where I think they should go. Okay. Now let's make them a little wider. Actually, they don't look real wide on the picture that I'm looking at. I guess because of the angle. And they do have a yellow tint because of the sky that's shining on them. When I get finished with them, I'm not finished. By the time I get done, they should have a yellow tint. Mix a little bit of ochre in it. Like I said, there's going to be weeds coming up through here. We don't want it to be perfect. These are old railroad tracks. A little more ochre. I might switch to a smaller brush for the rest of these. I think that's what I need for up in here. Take a look. Looks like it's got a little black down here toward the bottom for the edge shadow. Just on a few of them, not all the way up because it gets further away. The ones that are close, we'll put a little shadow under them. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put some clumps of grass up and down through here, just wherever I think it might need it. Black and green is what I want to use. Let's start right here. I'm just going to randomly pick spots. You know how the grass grows up through the tracks. And I'll come back and highlight this in just a second. Just randomly pick some spots. Might be a bunch right here. A bunch of grass. Maybe some close up too right here. Let's see. I don't know, maybe here. Maybe there. Okay, let me clean my brush off here. Get a lighter green. And let's hope I'm not in your way. Getting a lighter green here. Let's put some lighter green on these. Almost looks yellow, don't it? Let's see what that looks like. Maybe a little more yellow. That's okay right there. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget, if you want to see more, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.